to show you how to make a macrame coaster. I've got a 60 inches cord. I also have a bunch of 30 inches cords, 25 and 20 inches cords as well. I'd like to show you how to make a pizza slice design on a coaster. To start with, we're going to take our long cord and we're going to start by making a loop like this. Just like that. The short end sticking out on the left and I've got the long end on my right. Now I'm going to take one of my 30 inches cords and make a reverse LARK'S head knot. To do that, I'm going to fold the cord in half, put the loop underneath and push the ends inside the loop and pull the cords towards yourself to tighten it. That's my number one reverse LARK'S head knot. And I'm going to do the second one. Again, put it under the loop and pull the cords towards you to tighten it. Then we're going to pull two cords, short one and the long one, like this, and put these together until there's no visible hole in the middle, just like that. So let's have a look. Now at this stage, make sure your long end of the cord is on your right hand side and the short end is on your left hand side. So I'm holding my long end, which is also called the holding cord, and I'm going to carry on and take the next cord on my right hand side with my left hand and make a double half hitch knot. To do that, I'm gonna loop around the holding cord and make a knot and push it towards the beginning and tighten it. And I'm going to do it again with the same, and that's my double half hitch knot. I'm going to repeat this with the next cord. With my left hand, I'm taking the next cord. This is my holding cord on my right. I'm going to make a loop and I'm going to pull it towards the beginning and tighten it gently. That's one and one more, and that's the second one. So as you go along, you're going to notice that there's a gap between these two. So we don't want any gap when we do the spiral, because we are slowly expanding the spiral and the amount of cords we have. So as in when you see a gap like this, we're gonna have to add an extra cord here. So to do that, we're gonna again grab one of the 30 inches cords, fold it in half, make a loop like that under our holding cord and pull the ends of the cord towards yourself by holding the macrame and pull it gently to tighten it and push it upwards. And there we go, we've added an extra cord here to expand the circle. And now I can carry on with my double half hitch knots with the next cord. So now we finished the second circle of our coaster. So I count this one is the core and this one is the first circle. I just made a full circle And now just before I start my second circle, there's a gap here and I need to add an extra cord, and I am going to go ahead and put one of my different color cords. It really depends on how you want your design to be. You can wait until you make a few more circles to add this color, or you can start right away. It's up to you. So we just edit this one. So again, we carry on. See what happened. So now it's slightly better, almost like under the same line, but now I'm gonna need to add one more white here and let's see how it's gonna look when we do that. Okay, I think it's better as a start. There's no right or wrong in this. You just try and see how your design come along. I'm going to carry on with the double knotting. If you wanted to have a coaster that is exactly the same color all around, like this one, you just carry on adding the same color when you see a gap. So that's just as simple as that. Just carry on adding your extra cords in the same color and make your coaster and finish it off. If you want a pizza slice like this, then you're gonna have to carry on double knotting with the same color, the core one, the terracotta in this case. And then when you come just under this design, we're gonna have to add more white to make a pizza shape. I'm going to push them a little bit because I want my white cord to show. I like this. I'm going to carry on with my circle. So maybe here there's a tiny bit of gap. I can squeeze in one more white. So I'll do that because I want my pizza a little bit bigger. Here we go. That's better. And even here, maybe I can fit in one more. So it's looking good. So just to count, this is my center. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and normally 7 circles is good for a coaster. So I still got to do 2 more circles, and I'm gonna add one more cord here. We've just created a triangle shape in our coaster. So now I'm going to take a few more double knotting here, and I'm going to close this off because I think we made 7 circles. You can carry on doing it, and you can make a bigger coaster or a placemat if you like, but mine is going to finish right here. So your holding cord here, take something sharp like a scissors or a pencil and push this through. There we go. And we're gonna make a simple knot here. The next step is to trim off the ends, and once we cut the ends in a circle and unravel if you like, and brush your coaster, and you get something like this. Yeah, I can always brush a little bit more. We're going to make a star-shaped design. So as you can see here, this one I started off with white, and when I come to the 3rd circle, so this is the center, 1, 2, 3. So the 3rd circle, I've added 1 extra color after every 5 double knots. So we're gonna repeat the same thing here, but this is an alternative color. So I've started with the terracotta here, so I'm gonna add white on my 3rd round. So here I see a gap, and add 1 extra cord, so here. And then we're gonna make 5 double knots, and then we're gonna add another white one, and we're gonna make 5 double knots, add 1 extra, and so on and so forth.